Oh, this is the cameraman's bike. The guy that's holding the camera right now.
I'm the cameraman.
He's scared. He doesn't know what parts he has. So. He has some We the People bars. They're, yeah. S&M Redneck XLT stem. Random headset. Stock We the People Trust Forks from 2012. Stock We the People Trust 2012 frame. Saltplus cranks. Subrosa Bandit. Sprocket, it looks sick. Can't see 510 chain. One animal life peg. Salt Trapez back hub. Trapez front hub. Salt Summit rims. We the People seat fat. 1664 seat post. United clamp. E-clamp brakes without the cable. Gusset bolts. Don't know why he has that. Colt nylon pedals. And 2 United Direct tires. The front one is thinner than the back, which is a normal. So yeah, bye.